Hello guys, welcome to the tutorial Test Python for Dummies. In this tutorial we are going to see how the comparison operations work. Well, in the last video we saw how to declare variables, and you can do it like this. For example, a equal to 9, the variable b equal to 4 in this case. And as I said, with hash you can make comments about the variables. Well, if you can make a comment as well in more lines. For example, if you use quotation marks, 3 quotation marks, you can make the same comparison, but in 2 lines or more lines if you want. For example, you add something, it's the same. And in this case, the comparison operator for equality is this one. The comparison operations for inequality is this one. The comparison operation for less than, this one, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. And we are going to print the result. We are so curious what happens if we print that. Therefore, we are going to print this, the name of the comparison, and as well the output value of this operator, as well for the inequality, for less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. So save your program and run it. And okay, let's see what happens. It's taking some time. Okay, it compiled fast. Okay, here is the result. Let's analyze it. For the equality, for example, we have declared that our variables are 9 and 4, and if we say that a is equal to 6 is false because a is equal to 9. For the inequality, if we say if equal is not equal to 4, is true because it's not equal to 4. For less than, if a that is 9 and b that is 4, if we say that 9 is less than 4, of course it's false. For greater than, 9 is greater than 4, and less than or equal to, yes, is false in this case because 9 is not less or than 4 or equal to 4. And for the other operator, greater than or equal to, in this case is true because 9 is greater than or equal to 4. So this is how you can use the comparison operator, one of the uses of the comparison operators, and you can print it directly typing them here, as you can see. Well, in another videos we will see how to use it in another way, but for starting it's enough with this. Okay, thank you and see you in the other video.